My name is Tiisetso Sekake. I'm 19 years old. I live in Gaborone. I'm an actress. I believe I've got what it takes to do this and to go to New York. Yes. I'm trying to prepare for my wedding day, but my husband seems to not be interested. I remember the first day, the very first day that Letty and I met. So melodramatic he was, so himself, so khosokgolo. But now he has changed. He is the Letty I don't know. He goes out, he has many friends, his phone is always off. I don't know who to talk to, but I'm 3 months pregnant. I don't know how to tell him. What should I do? Thank you.